So in the seam and the front side, I'm going to take away this section to create a pocket. I'm going to mark on here. Five, going across 4, like that, and I'm going to sort of draw in the pocket. So now I've got my 4 layers of fabric. I'm going to use a selvage actually for the edge, and you need to make sure all the pieces are lined up, and just pop a pin in there. Now you can make these pockets as deep or as shallow as you want to. Make these pockets the shape you like. I'm going to go down 12 inches, sort of there. So that's how far down the pocket's going to be. So they're going to be quite deep, these pockets. And we're going in 4 inches there. So I want a substantial amount of fabric on that side. So I'm going to allow at least 1.5 inches. So if I go 5.5 inches in here, like that, and that gives me seam allowance, and then just sort of shape a pocket there, like that. You can have it going down further if you want to, but I think that will be fine. What we'll do then is take 2 of these pieces away, because these 2 are going to be the front of the pocket and they are going to be the back of the pocket. So the front pieces need to line up exactly with those pocket pieces there, like that. And I'm going to place a pin there, pin there, and then draw around the shape of the pocket opening as you'd like it. Make sure it's all matching up. There we go. And that's all there is to it. Is if I grab the pocket pieces there. So there are my pocket pieces. And there's the front piece. And what I need to do is just sew around the pocket there, clip, and then flip it over and then join the back part of the pocket.